For solving this problem, we will use the basic formula, that is NPR, can be written as n factorial upon n minus of r factorial. And I just want to write 2n plus 1 pn minus 1 upon, here you will write 2n minus 1 pn, and that can be written as 2n plus 1 factorial upon, you will write it as 2n plus 1 minus of n plus of 1. And here in denominator you will write the value as 2n minus 1 factorial upon 2n minus 1 minus of n factorial, and everything will turns out to be 2n plus 1 factorial, and in denominator you will write the value as n plus 2 factorial, and here you will write 2n minus 1 factorial, and here you will write n minus of 1 factorial. Now 2n plus 1 can be written as 2n plus 1, and then you are having the value as 2n, and then you will write this one as 2n minus of 1. Now n plus 2 can be written as n plus 2 into n plus 1 multiply with n, and then n minus 1 factorial. Why we are writing at last like this? Because in denominator it is given that 2n minus 1 factorial, and here you are writing the value as n minus of 1 factorial. N minus 1 factorial, n minus 1 factorial cancel, this value can cancel this. So you will get the value as 2n into 2n plus 1, and denominator will be equal to n plus 1 n plus 2, that is equal to 3 by 5. N and n will get cancelled. Let's multiply crosswise. You will get the value as 10 into 2n plus 1, that is equal to 3n plus 1 multiply with n plus 2, and that's how you will get the value as 20n plus, that is equal to 3n square plus 3n plus 2, and that's how you will write 3n square plus 9n, and then plus of 6, that is equal to 20n plus of 10. So everything will turns out to be 3n square, then you are having the value as minus of 11n, and then you will get the value as minus of 4, which is equal to 0. And now we can write it as 3n square minus of 12n plus of n minus of 4 is equal to 0. If I will take 3n common, you will get the value as n minus of 4. If I will take 1 common, you will get the value as n minus of 4. So you are getting the value of n, that is equal to minus of 1 by 3, or you will get the value of n, that is equal to 4. There is an important thing that you have to understand here. This n is not anything, this is just an object. Object can't be negative and object can't be in the fraction form. So we can't take the value as minus 1 by 3. This is not acceptable here. We will not take the value of n, that is equal to minus 1 by 3. Only we can take the value of n, that is equal to 4. So n is equal to 4 is the correct answer for the given question. Understood? So this is the important, and also we don't have to solve these things. Just you have to put the value here. If you can put the value, and if you are getting right hand side and left hand side both are equal, you can say the same thing as writing like the quadratic equation. We are getting the same values, but the expression will be different here. Hope you have understood this question. These kind of problems are important for you to do the basics. Once you will do the basics, it will help you to solve further questions.